Okay, I'm in Little Harbour, Nova Scotia today and heading towards Melmerby Beach. It's a really dull day. I don't know why I picked these days, but hopefully I'm going to get something today. There's always something to be had no matter how bad the lighting conditions. So we'll see how it goes. Well, we're here at Melmerby Beach on a really dull day, weather-wise, light-wise, but there might be something to shoot here today. We'll just have to see. I like the way grasses look on an overcast day. Any kind of soft overhead lighting really works well with complicated subjects like grasses and twigs and those kinds of things. In bright sunlight or direct sunlight, the shadows and the highlights complicate that already complicated subject even more. So maybe I can get something like that today. You can see the grasses behind me. Maybe. Yeah, anyway, so we'll give that a try. Hey buddy, what you doing? Someone left this little memorial here. I don't know whether someone tragically died or what the story is, but it might make for a nice image. Interesting. Boy, my lips are so cold I can barely talk. Interesting structures on the beach. So this is point 44. Just kind of a nice walk. But there just doesn't seem to be anything interesting to shoot. I think it's a bust. Damn. Maybe later in the day. Maybe I'll come back around sunset. Anything can happen. Anything can happen in the Maritimes. Weather-wise. It's not as, in Nova Scotia, it's not as crazy as Newfoundland, where in one day you can have everything. In Nova Scotia, it seems to take a few days for the weather to change. But we'll see next time, I guess. Anyway, it's a good excuse to get out and walk around, enjoy nature. I was never really big on it, actually, to tell you the truth. Being a studio photographer, I like the warmth and control of the studio. But now that I'm kind of forcing myself to get out on trails and in beaches and just outside, I kind of like it in a way. Even though some days it's just not great for photography. And the lack of control is not something I'm really comfortable with. But it's all good. Until next time, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And hopefully I'll do better next time. Adios, amigos.